Hey guys, it's Meg here back with another video, and today it's currently Sunday at like 8 in the morning. I just woke up and realized that I forgot to post yesterday, so this is basically just going to be like me and Melissa the day after Halloween on Thursday. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Sorry if it's boring, but enjoy. Okay guys, first we start with cornstarch. We each have like our little bowls. And how much do we put in? How much do we put in?
I don't know.
This was your idea.
I don't know. I did this in 7th grade. Can you just finish the whole thing?
How much put in water?
I don't know.
Heckas. Put some
No,
wine.
Meg, I don't want to do this on my bed. It feels weird.
There's a pretty background usually than I have. Does that make sense?
I don't know. So, explain what we're doing.
So right now we're putting cornstarch in the bowl.
I just want to finish this whole thing. Just start.
Look, I'm gonna do one of those things.
I got it at Save a Lot. Here, for $1.
$1?
Yeah.
That's a good deal.
Tell me when to stop.
We should make it like a podcast. That's good. Say yes. Are we best friends? That's my brand new hoodie! Okay, I'm just going for it.
Okay, so
Right,
you
so
read
this
the directions,
is a cup
right?
of water. Yeah,
You
just
like
said
where you're
slowly.
Shh. Where's your spoon?
Just right here. Okay, so
slowly, so you get
this
the
is our
consistency.
cup of water, and where you add water to the bowl until it's consistent,
So
but
basically,
slowly.
shut up. So basically, you wanna put water there until you get the consistency you like. You know what I'm saying. You know what you know what I'm saying. Go. Okay. That's you have to mix it first. and see.
Okay. Just put some in yours.
This is too hard.
Mine's too liquidy. Like cornstarch just made it softer. This isn't working out, Melissa.
Mine's perfect. What are you talking about?
Give me mine, the cornstarch.
Oh.
Give me the cornstarch. Give me the cornstarch.
Am I gonna edit this video?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so basically, let's just talk about
So
anything.
basically, on Monkey, guys, we found a new friend group this year. I've already talked about them tons of times in my videos. Let's talk about our old friend group.
No. What if they watch the video?
Too much tea is being spilled.
Cornstarch.
It's not coming out!
I
I doubt they watch the videos.
okay, so basically last year we had a toxic friend group. I mean, like, I still talk to
Very
them. They're
toxic.
nice. They just don't like Meg. You know?
What if I don't like them?
I know you don't like them.
You put too much water in mine.
You were the one that poured water in it. Let me mix it up for you. Like,
No.
see, feel mine. No, feel
Mine's
mine.
doing good. It's doing good.
I'm gonna
I
put
think
some.
I
I'm gonna
too
put
much
some
cornstarch
dye
in.
in mine. But basically, school started.
August.
Some of our old friends went with different friend groups.
You know what?
And we stopped talking to some of them.
Look, mine's doing good.
Look at that. Do you see this?
It's too hard.
I don't think you guys can see, but I already started the process of dyeing my freaking slime.
Actually? No,
You're not listening to me. So yeah, basically a lot of friends that we used to talk to a lot last year, we don't talk to a lot this year. I mean, I don't know Meg if she still talks to some of them.
No, I don't
talk to some of them in class, but that's pretty much it. New friends this year. I mean,
new group. Who dis? Wait, it's the day after Halloween. I went to a bonfire last night, and Melissa was supposed to go, but she didn't go. But
I hung
it's
out
okay.
with some other friends because I'm cool.
It wasn't cool. We were cooler, and
there was 3 people at the bonfire.
There were 6 people at the bonfire, and it was really fun. And Melissa was a hater about it, but we had some deep combos. I honestly got a lot closer to him.
I lost my trust with all of them. Being a YouTuber sucks. Why do people like this?
I like it.
You like it? They say I
Give
like
me
it
the
like
dye.
that.
No, I want more water. Water.
No, let me feel it.
No, it's fine.
No, you don't need that. This is fine. This is perfect. Maybe this is perfect. You don't need more water, or else it's gonna be more liquidy. It's fine. Just add the dye. Here. So, yeah, I got new friends. You know, I talk to new people. Shout out to you guys. Yes, they're so nice. Thank you, Phil, for driving us everywhere.
Yeah.
You're actually the goat, so. Let's talk about memes. Like, sometimes people send me memes, and I'm like, what the heck? Let's go on Instagram and see if anybody has asked anything yet.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're supposed to be doing Q&A.
So yeah, we asked our Instagrams if to ask us questions.
Too hard.
Does anybody ask any questions? How do you check if anybody has asked any questions?
It'll end up in like your notification thing.
I don't think anyone has asked me.
That's funny.
Check your Instagram.
Okay. Oh, and Melissa's talking to this guy named. But we're not gonna get into that now, are we?
He's my friend.
You know what? I saw your phone and I saw that you called him B.
Because he called me. What did you see my phone? You little snake.
You steal my phone all the time.
You little snake.
So it's fine when you look through my messages,
Yeah.
but it's not okay when I look through yours.
Look, okay, so when you get this slime, it's hard when you get it, and then it turns into like, you know.
So gross. Kill myself.
Why'd we make it then?
I don't know.
We
Do
should
you like
get-
slime?
No. You did it's like
No,
okay.
I hate slime.
Okay, go for the next question.
What?
No, you have to explain Matt.
Matt, he helped
Speak
me
louder.
he helped me and Athena at ice skating, and yeah, and we FaceTimed that night with Athena and his friend Weston, and we're just friends. The other Phil asked, why are you and Melissa the same person?
Phil asked, why are you and Melissa the same person?
That's what I just said.
I'm just saying. Okay. We're not.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
I like Emma Chamberlain. I like Antonio Garza. You know?
Yeah.
Your mom's gonna be here in an hour. I just got all my fingers dirty.
I know, my fingers are soft.
You say I like it like... You wanna mix ours together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put mine in yours.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Put it in the...
I said I like it like that.
This is such a boring video.
I know.
Bye!
Bye! What'd Jackson say?
What do you mean?
What'd he say?
Nothing. He didn't even text me. What are you talking about?
I just saw his name on your phone. Ew. It's all over and
You say I like it like that. Oh, it's all over.
I'm done with slime.
Me
Get it out of
too.
my face.
So-
I hate slime.
Record me from your phone, and you put this
Record you?
clip on
Okay.
with the flash.
No fucking dip.
You see that consistency? Oh. Yeah, I hate this. Okay, we're done. Bye, guys! This was the most boring video ever.